Marshall Monitor 2 ANC is going to rock your socks off. But before I say anything else, here is the unboxing. The things that I loved most from the unboxing are definitely the size of the USB cable. Unlike other big companies, this is actually long enough, meaning I don't have to keep the headphones close to a power outlet while it's getting charged. Then the 3.5mm cable reminds me of a guitar jack that goes to the amp because it is so well made, and I really love that fact as well. But what I don't care much for is the canvas carrying bag. I mean, it does fit everything like the headphones and the cables inside, but if it was a hard case, it would have given better protection while traveling. The Monitor 2 ANC, in my opinion, looks fantastic. It just screams rock and roll. It has all the iconic design elements of their very popular amps and speakers lineup, like from the leather covered headband, the curly cables on the side, the ribbed back on the ear cups, to the golden multifunctional knob on the side. But one minor gripe of mine is that the inside of the ear cups don't have any marking saying which one's left or which one's right, which is a little annoying because to find that info you will have to look inside the bottom of the end of the headband to know which one's left or which one's right. So it only weighs around 320 grams, and I found it very comfortable to wear for a long period of time. The headband is adjustable to any head size, and I especially liked how they have marking on both sides to help you align the two ends evenly, and the ear cups also rotate 180 degrees for a good fit, and are made of pure leather, which feels really good against the skin. So in winter, if you're not listening to music, you can still use them as earmuffs. I think the top selling point for this Marshall Monitor 2 ANC should be their size. Even when they are fully open, they have a really small footprint, and when collapsed, you can either pack it flat or in a more conventional way, both of which will save a lot of space when you're trying to put this tightly packed in a backpack. This really sets them aside from other over-ear headphones. But that being said, I think the sound quality is also top-notch. It has a 40mm dynamic driver and a custom equalizer which you can adjust to any setting you like for the type of music you're listening to. Just for testing, I cranked up the bass high to see if it cracks, but surprisingly it did not, and it sounded crisp. It performed really well for all the genres of songs I played and changed the equalizer settings too. There was always a clear separation between all the layers, and all the instruments and voice were very clear. I don't know if I'm turning deaf, but I thought the top volume level was a little mellow for my taste. I would have liked it to be a little bit louder, but other than that, I thought it had a solid performance when it came to sound. And then the call quality I thought was excellent as well. There is a mic on the left cup that picks up your voice and amplifies it while cancelling out the ambient noise, which makes the Monitor 2 a joy to take a call in a noisy environment. Also in the app you can adjust the level of noise cancellation, which is good, but even better is how you can also adjust the monitor transparency mode, which allows how much surrounding sound you want to let in. So depending on where you are and what you are doing, you can always stay alert by adjusting this setting. But it will be interesting to see how this fares against the likes of Bose in comparison in terms of noise cancellation. But for that, I think I'll make a separate video, so subscribe if you want to see that one. A very cool thing happens when you turn on the headphones is a guitar riff goes off to let you know that it is on, which I'm sure will please all the rock lovers all around. This same knob can be used to do a variety of call functions like reject a call or accept a call, as well as changing songs or controlling the music volume. Now, some might say that it would have been better with touch controls, but I don't think so. Call me old school, but I think those touch surfaces are always a little fidgety. There's always a chance of accidentally doing something that you didn't mean to do, whereas here you have finer controls, and just by feeling this button at the back of your head you will know exactly what to do. So I will have to say that this is much more intuitive. Then there are two physical buttons on the Marshall Monitor 2 ANC headphones. Like there is one that is just dedicated to turning on or of the active noise cancelling feature, and it says ANC on top of that, and another button which is called the M button that can be customized to either toggle between equalizer presets on the fly or call Google Assistant or just talk to Siri. I have an iPhone, so I'm going to change this to call Siri, but Android users can be really happy because of its support for OK Google, which I cannot unfortunately test as I don't have an Android phone with me right now, but I hope that it should be good. The app is also good to show you the battery percentage of the headphones. In ideal conditions, you should get approximately 30 hours of use, but if you have the noise cancelling off, then you will get battery life up to 45 hours. But these are all theoretical numbers and really depends on how you use it. But if you are running low on juice, then just 15 minutes of charge will give you 5 hours of playtime. And another cool thing is, if you want to save battery life, then you can adjust the auto off timer function on the app, and then the headphones will automatically turn off after a certain amount of time that you have selected. This is good because you might forget to turn off the headphones as it requires manual intervention. You will have to press this golden button right here again to turn this off, and you might forget to do it. So with this function, even if you forget to turn off your headphones, it will turn it off automatically. But you'll have to remember to set on the timer each and every time you turn on the headphones. So there's that. Anyways, so my final verdict is that I think that this is a great pair of headphones. It is priced similar to the other premium headphones out there in the market right now, but it has all the bells and whistles of other premium headphones as well. Like it has got a custom equalizer, a mobile app, OK Google integration, noise cancellation, and so much more. So I think it is totally worth the money. Plus, if you love to listen to rock, then this is a must buy, because not only does it look good like it belongs in a head of a rock star in a studio working away on his jams, but it also sounds like an absolute monster. But having said that, you will also enjoy listening to other genres of music as well as watching movies or playing games, because it is a beast in terms of sound quality. Now, I don't know if it has support for aptX codec though, because it does not say anywhere in the website or on the package itself, so I'm gonna assume no, but I was not able to find any noticeable lag while playing some regular games. So guys, that's it from me today. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button down below. This is Nafis signing off till next week. Peace.